Imagine uploading your videos with full confidence, knowing that no one can download, rip, or illegally share your hard work. That is exactly the tension Gumlet Video solves, and it does it in a way that instantly makes you wonder why other platforms still make video protection so complicated. If you have ever worried about screen recorders stealing your courses or competitors quietly collecting your content, this platform feels like a breath of relief. Gumlet Video allows you to host, customize, and manage your videos while keeping them safely protected with powerful digital rights management tools. And with its simple workflow, advanced analytics, and artificial intelligence features, it feels like stepping into a modern video system designed for professional creators, educators, and marketers who want to grow without fear of piracy. The first thing that sparks curiosity about Gumlet Video is how it handles digital rights management protection. This platform does not just hide your video links or use basic restrictions. Instead, it offers advanced protection like Fair Play and Widevine, creating a secure barrier against illegal downloads, unauthorized access, and unwanted sharing. You can even whitelist domains so only your approved websites can stream your content. This gives course creators and e-commerce brands a strong level of control that most mainstream hosting sites do not offer. Managing your library feels smooth and organized. You can upload videos directly, import from storage services such as Vimeo, Wistia, Amazon S3, and other cloud drives, or add content in bulk with the application programming interface. Collections and playlists help you structure lessons or marketing series without getting lost in endless folders. The player itself can be branded with your colors, your logo, and helpful chapter markers to guide viewers through your material. Gumlet Video includes artificial intelligence tools that boost engagement without extra effort. Automatic chapters, descriptions, subtitles, and thumbnail support make your videos look polished while improving search visibility. These tools are especially helpful for creators who want to increase viewer retention without spending hours editing small details. Analytics is another strong area. The dashboard is clean and easy to understand, allowing you to track completion rates, viewer locations, and how people interact with your videos. This helps you refine your content strategy and understand what your audience prefers. You can build your own custom dashboards and review performance inside the platform without needing outside tools. Gumlet Video is available on AppSumo with lifetime plans that offer impressive value. Even the starting tier gives you a strong combination of storage, bandwidth, artificial intelligence features, library tools, digital rights management protection, and complete player customization. Higher tiers expand your storage, number of users, and overall streaming capacity, making it suitable for solo creators or growing teams. If you want a dependable, secure, and modern platform to host your videos while keeping them safe from piracy, Gumlet Video is worth exploring. The lifetime deal makes it even more appealing, especially with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee. If you want to protect your videos, improve engagement, and manage everything from one simple dashboard, this is a strong moment to make the purchase before the price increases.